Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Makeup for Beginners with Kira-jade. Holy moly, has it been a while? Okay, so today we are going to learn how to be applying blush. Now, I like to use good old cream blushes. So I have quite a few cream blushes. I've got one in a stick form and ones that comes in a little bottle. But if you don't want to do that, you can just use good old blush as well. I like to use both cream and blush to set everything. So I'm going to start off with blush. I'm going to take a blush brush and also have a sponge too to set everything. So what I'm going to do is take both these colors. I'm going to take this beautiful pink. So this is the pink that I'm taking. It is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm literally going to apply it to my tops of my cheeks. Like that. On the other side. Like that. Little. You only need a little bit. And I'm going to mix the darker pink with it as well. I only need a teensy bit. I do not need a lot because this stuff is insanely pigmented. And I mean really pigmented. So we're going to take a blush brush. And I'm just going to dab. Dab, 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 dab. I like to smile too because that really helps. I like to bring it up to my hairline. And then I take my sponge and I just dab it a bit more. Just to give it a really good blend. So something that looks like this. Now, I'm going to put just a little bit more because I like it a little bit more dark. But each to their own, each to their own. If you like your blush light or subtle or very pigmented, you do you. I am just going to apply a little bit more because I like my blush a little bit more brighter. Okay. Need I say more? It's absolutely gorgeous. So, now. So that's how I apply my blush. I use a blush brush and a damp sponge. And I use liquid blushes. And then I take a powder blush and I set this, which I'm going to do. So I'm going to take my NARS blush in Orgasm. And switch it. Just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, now we're going to apply some highlight. I like to use cream highlight and powder highlight. So, how I apply my highlight. If I can get this open. Okay. This is what it looks like. You just squeeze it a little bit. So what I do is I apply it up here. High points of my face, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow. Now I like a lot of highlight, but you do you. You can add a little or add a lot. I'm just going to take a sponge and I'm going to blend this very lightly into my makeup. Okay, now for highlighter, I'm going to take one of my favorite highlighters from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome. Sorry for how it looks. The lid broke like a while ago, a couple weeks ago. Well, actually I think a couple of months ago actually. But I'm still using it because it's absolutely beautiful. I'm just going to set my cream highlighter. Same way I did it. Lightly over the cream. Up to my brow bone, down the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this highlighter so much. It's my favorite. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how I apply my blush and highlighter. So I'm back, and I thought I would also chuck in how I apply my mascara. So let's... Okay, so how I do it is I start at the... I put the brush at the bottom of my lashes and I just blink. That's all I do. I blink. So if you have trouble putting mascara on, just do what I do. Put the wand at the bottom of your lashes and blink. And do the same at the bottom. I just keep it very, very simple. Now, I'm just going to add a little bit more blush. I'm going to take my OXX Cosmetics blush. And I'm going to take a little bit of this with a blush brush, tap off, and just go over the blush a little bit because I like it a little bit more pigmented, as I said. But if you like your blush nice and subtle, you do you. And you put as little or as a lot of blush on as you like. And that is it. That is how I apply blush, highlighter, and of course, mascara. And now I'm just going to set everything. Take my favorite setting spray. This is the MCO Beauty Miracle Flawless Setting Spray. This stuff is amazing. It's fantastic. I love it. So what you do is hold it not far from your face. And spray to your heart's desire. Anyway, so that is the finished look. Nice and simple. Very nice. Very glowy. I love it. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Like and subscribe for more Makeup for Beginners. And I'll see you all in my next video. I love you guys so much. Stay beautiful. Bye. Mwah.